Okay, now with the stainless lines cut, I need to go ahead and put the two-piece ends on. Okay, putting a hose end on requires you putting on this little metal connector here. And I've got this lube that I bought here from Russell with the fittings. I'm just putting a little bit, like a drop in there, and kind of rubbing it around right on the edge. It just kind of, it does help it, the fitting go in here. So you just kind of make sure you get all of the little stray hairs inside the fitting, and then you just kind of push and turn and push and turn. Takes a little pressure, but it'll go, and you just keep turning it a little bit. Okay, it's all the way down on there. You can see the rubber right up here in the end. So now you need to put this fitting in, and it's got a little tapered end, and it goes right in, and just start to turn that. I've been putting a little piece of tape right here on the hose, right behind the red head, just to see as if when I'm driving this in, is it pushing this off the hose or not. There we go. Alright, one down on this end, this tube, and one to go.